And this is another reason why you want to get your furnace checked out. It's a big old crack on this flue pipe. If this was a furnace that was on the interior of the home, for example, a indoor closet or even a mechanical closet that could be indoors inside the house or in a garage, this pipe contains, the carbon monoxide from the combusted natural gas or propane, depending on your heat or your fuel source. But you would not want to breathe what's in this pipe. But luckily, this is just in the exterior, so we're just going to go ahead and